Rats, often maligned as pests, are fascinating creatures with a rich history and a crucial role in the ecosystem. Debunking the myths, rats are not just dirty rodents. Instead, they are highly intelligent, social animals with complex behaviors. Rats belong to the rodent family, with over 40 species worldwide. Among them, the most common are the Norway rat and the roof rat. Norway rats, also known as sewer rats or brown rats, are large, heavy-bodied creatures with a distinctive blunt nose, small ears, and a scaly, brownish-gray fur. They can be found worldwide, often in and around human habitats. Roof rats, on the other hand, are slender and agile, with large ears, long tails, and a smooth gray or brown fur. They are excellent climbers and are most commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. The rat's strong sense of smell and keen hearing make them excellent navigators. They can detect food sources from great distances and are known to remember the locations of food and water for weeks. Rats have a unique digestive system that allows them to eat a wide variety of foods, from fruits and vegetables to meat and even other rats. They are also known for their ability to gnaw, which helps them access food and navigate their environment. However, rats are not just beneficial to the ecosystem. They can also pose a threat to human health, carrying diseases such as rat bite fever, leptospirosis, and salmonella. They can contaminate food and water sources with their urine and feces, which can lead to outbreaks of diseases. Despite their reputation, rats play a crucial role in scientific research. They have been used in studies on behavior, physiology, and disease transmission, contributing to advancements in medicine and science. In conclusion, rats are complex creatures with a rich history and a crucial role in the ecosystem. While they can pose a threat to human health, they are also valuable in scientific research. Understanding and appreciating rats can help us better coexist with these fascinating creatures.